everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, if you're watching this, please don't forget po to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget po to hit the bell notification para updated po kayo sa aking future videos. And I would like to apologize po, medyo natagalan po bago ako nakapag-upload ng video or makapag-upload ng video dahil madami pong ganap sa buhay. So, and now guys, I would like to share lang po kasi madaming nagtatanong kung nag-a-assist po ba kami ng passport na suspended ni DFA. Kasi guys, recently, I think, madami pong sinususpende si DFA. If you're watching po my previous video, my previous vlog po, I don't know anong number, but I explained it to you po before na kung ano po yung mga reason bakit nagsususpende or bakit na-suspension yung application ninyo sa pagkuha po ng passport. So, guys, if na-suspended po si passport application ninyo, huwag po kayong mag-worry kasi ngayon po, unlike po dati na kapag na-suspended na po si application ay medyo matatagalan po yung process. But this time, medyo dinalian po nila yung process. So, at even though na-approve na nila during your appearance, but they're going to send you an email na sorry po that your application is under suspension and kailangan pa i-review like this and like that. And then for further information, kailangan nyo po pumunta ng DFA at magdala po ng following requirements. So, kapag po makatanggap kayo ng email na ganyan, kailangan nyo pong pumunta ng DFA para po i-solve yung problem. Tapos dalhin nyo po yung mga requirements na linagay ni DFA sa loob po ng email na pinadala po sa inyo. Huwag po kayong mag-worry kasi hindi po yan matatagalan. I think, I don't know if it takes 3 months for clearing or kasi pinadali na po yan nila ngayon. Kasi nga po madami pong, hindi naman kasi sila nagbibigay ng enough na information. Iwan ko ba? So, yan po. Kailangan nyo pong pumunta sa DFA and submit all the requirements na hinihingi po nila para mapadali po ang clearing ng inyong passport. Don't worry guys, nasuspende po kayo for different kinds of reasons. Some reasons are nag-new passport po kayo pero meron na kayong old passport before. Tapos nakalimutan yung mag-file ng loss of passport. Or meron po kayong passport tapos, fake identity. Some reasons are like that po. Or, meron pong documents na hindi nila ma-verify na original yun. There are different kinds of reasons kung bakit po nila sinuspende yung application nyo sa passport. But, that's what I'm telling you guys. But, wag po kayong mag-alala. Puntahan nyo po si DFA. Bring all the documents that they needed. Yung hiningi nila ng mga documents ay dalhin nyo po doon. Then submission of documents. And then after that one, I think magsasend po sila ng email again or ite-text nila kayo na ready na po for pick up yung passport niyo. Sometimes medyo matatagalan, especially po pag fake identity. Kasi may mga cases na ma'am ganito, ginamit ng tito ko yung identity ng kuya ko. Tapos yung tito ko ngayon ay nasa Canada or somewhere in America or somewhere. Tapos citizen na po siya. Ano po yung mangyayari? And that, hindi ko po masasagot. But you have to ask po the DFA kasi sila po yung makakasagot kung ano po yung dapat ninyong gawin. So, if may mga suspension naman during appearance, wag po kayong mag-hesitate na magtanong. Tanungin niyo po kung ano pong kailangan yung gawin. Kasi, if it's fake postal ID, bibigyan naman kayo niya ng palogit. Bibigyan naman kayo niya ng mga requirements kung ano yung dapat yung i-submit. So, paalala lang po ito para po sa lahat ng mga aplikante because I know there's a lot of applicant po na nagiging nagwo-worry. Actually, nagwo-worry po sila na baka hindi na sila makakuha ng passport. Don't worry guys, makakuha po kayo ng passport. And if you have some questions, please leave your comment down below. And I will try to answer as much as I can. Goodbye!